Hello and welcome to Sleepy English. Today, we build a gentle plan to improve your life. If you feel busy but stuck, this talk is for you. We will explore what better really means, set your mind in a helpful direction, take ownership with kindness, shape daily discipline, and practice patience so progress can compound. You do not need a perfect plan, only small steps you can start tomorrow morning. Let us begin with a simple truth. Small is powerful. Big change looks exciting, but it often fades. Small change looks boring, but it often lasts. Think of a drop of water on a stone. One drop does nothing. Many drops in the same place make a mark. Your life works the same way. Choose one tiny habit that fits inside your day. Read one page before bed. Write one honest line after breakfast. Walk for 10 minutes at lunch. Drink a glass of water when you wake. These changes are light to carry. When you repeat them, they stack. In a month, they become normal. In a season, they become part of who you are. To help small actions stick, make them specific and easy to start. Do not say, I will get healthy. Say, I will put my shoes on and step outside after dinner. Do not say, I will learn more. Say, I will open my notebook and write one sentence at 8 a.m. Clear. Tiny starts lower fear. Your brain likes easy wins. Each win gives you a little spark. That spark is enough to begin again tomorrow. Now let us set your mind. Your mindset is the pair of glasses you use to look at your life. Through one lens, you see limits. Through another lens, you see chances to learn. You can choose the second lens. Instead of saying, I'm just not good at this, try. I can get better at this with practice. Instead of, I always fail, try. I'm early in the process. This shift is small, but it changes how you act. When you believe skill can grow, you try more. When you try more, you learn faster. When you learn faster, you feel stronger. The loop becomes positive. You can train this mindset with simple questions. When you face a hard task, ask, what is the first tiny step? When you make a mistake, ask, what did this teach me? When you feel slow, ask, what would a 5-minute version look like? Questions like these move you from stuck to curious. Curiosity opens a door. Through that door, you can take your next step. Next comes ownership. This part can feel sharp at first, but it brings freedom. No one else can steer your day from inside your mind. That job belongs to you. You cannot control every event, but you can control your response. You can choose to begin even when you do not feel like it. You can choose to be kind when you are tired. You can choose to rest instead of scroll. When you take responsibility for small choices, your life starts to change. You move from things happen to me to I choose my next action. That shift feels like power. Ownership grows when you use clear language. Replace. I didn't have time with I didn't make time. Replace I should with I will or I won't. Replace I hope with I plan. These sentences are simple and honest. They keep you awake to your choices. If a plan was too big, you can shrink it. If a choice was unhelpful, you can choose again. You are not a passenger. You are the driver. Now let us talk about discipline. Discipline is doing what matters even when your mood is low. It is not harsh. It is not loud. It is a calm promise you keep with yourself. Think of brushing your teeth. You do not need a speech to do it. You just do it. Bring that same spirit to your goals. Make the first step tiny. Place it next to a time you already do something. After you make your morning drink, open your book and read one page. After lunch, take a short walk. After you clear the table, write one line. Keep a small mark of each day you showed up. A check on a calendar. A dot in a notebook. A row of marks becomes a story you can trust. To make discipline feel like freedom, clear friction from the right actions and add friction to the wrong ones. Put your water bottle on the counter. Keep fruit on the table. Leave your notebook open where you can see it. Put your phone in another room during your focus block. Remove one noisy app from your home screen. Decide 2 times a day when you will check messages, and let the rest of the day stay quiet. These simple moves give your attention room to breathe. Focus loves a clean shape. Try one short block of deep work each day. 20 minutes is enough. Pick one task. Close extra tabs. Set a gentle timer. Work until it rings. Stand up. Breathe slowly. Drink water. Look at something far away for a minute to rest your eyes and mind. If the day allows, do a second block later. A few clean blocks beat many hours of half work. Now we add patience. Growth is like a seed. You do not dig it up each morning to check the roots. You water it. You give it light. You protect it from harm. You wait. Your habits are the water and the light. Your boundaries are the protection. Time does the rest. This can feel slow, but it is steady. On quiet days, you may not see much change. Then one week you notice that your back feels better from those walks. 1 month, you notice that reading one page has turned into a chapter. 1 season you notice that a skill feels normal in your hands. Patience lets you receive these results without stress. Patience grows when you measure the right things. Do not count only big wins. Count clear days. A clear day is one where you did your 2-minute start, your short focus block, your walk, or your page. If you miss one day, begin again the next day. Use a soft rule, never miss twice. This rule bends with life and keeps your chain alive. Let us design a day that holds all 5 lessons. Morning is your anchor. When you wake, do not touch your phone. Sit up and place your feet on the floor. Take a few slow breaths. Drink a glass of water. If you can, step into daylight for a minute. Light tells your brain to wake. Write one short line that points your compass. Today, I will give 1 calm block to my most important task. Then do a 2-minute start on that task. Open the file. Type 1 true sentence. Often you will continue. If not, you still kept your promise. Midday is for movement and 1 more clean block. Take a 10-minute walk. Let your eyes rest on far things. Eat simple food that keeps energy even. Choose one task and give it a short, focused window. Put your phone away. Set a timer. Work until it rings. This rhythm is not extreme. It is realistic. It is how you keep going on normal days. Evening is for closing loops and preparing your future self. Take 1 minute to note what you did. Be kind and concrete. Walked 10 minutes. Wrote 1 line. Read 1 page. Then write the first tiny step for tomorrow and place the tool where your hands will meet it in the morning. Dim the lights and go to bed on time. Sleep is a core skill. It repairs your body and locks in learning. A rested brain makes better choices. Your space can help you improve without extra effort. Clear one small area of your desk. Put your notebook in the center. Keep a pen there. Keep water near you. If possible, let some natural light touch your eyes during the day. Sit with your back supported and your feet on the floor. A calm room supports a calm mind. Your people can help too. Improvement is easier with gentle support. Tell one trusted person your tiny plan for the week. Keep it humble and clear. I will read one page each night. I will walk 10 minutes after lunch. I will write one line each morning. Send a short note when you finish. Celebrate in a small way. A warm message, a cup of tea by the window, a quiet smile. Small celebrations keep your spirit steady. There will be hard days. Work will pile up. A child will get sick. Travel will break your pattern. On those days, use a floor version of your habits. The floor is your smallest promise. 2 minutes, 1 page, 1 line, 10 squats, 1 glass of water, 3 slow breaths by the window. If you hit the floor, you win. When life calms, return to your normal plan. A plan that bends does not break. Old stories may rise and try to slow you. I always quit. I'm too busy. I'm not that kind of person. When you hear them, answer with gentle truth. I am learning to keep small promises. I have time for 2 minutes. I can become that kind of person by acting like that kind of person, one tiny step at a time. Identity shifts with action. Each small action is a vote for the person you want to be. Play can help you keep going. Turn a task into a simple game. Can you write 3 true lines before the song ends? Can you clean the counter in 5 minutes? Can you learn one new word and use it in a note to a friend? Lightness reduces resistance. When work feels a little playful, you start sooner and stay longer. Money, health, and family needs will not wait for a perfect season. You do not need a perfect season. You need a small door you can open each day. Protect that door. It might be the first 20 minutes after you wake. It might be a quiet window after dinner. It might be a short slice at lunch. Name it. Guard it kindly. Let the people you love know that this window helps you be your best for them too. Picture tomorrow morning. You wake, breathe, drink water, and feel daylight on your face. You write one line that points your compass. You open your work and take the 2-minute start. A few minutes later, you are inside a calm block. At lunch, you walk. In the evening, you note your wins. Set tomorrow's first step, dim the lights, and rest. Nothing loud happened, yet the shape of your day changed. This is how life improves. Quietly, surely, one small action at a time. Small is powerful. Your mindset can grow. Ownership brings freedom. Discipline feels like space when you design it well. Patience turns drops into a river. Hold these 5 ideas with care and let them guide your next tiny step.